Hey guys, I am going to talk to you about Google Jamboard. This is actually fairly new to the Google G Suite. Um, Jamboard is actually a device that Google originally came up with. The platform and the idea that you have a digital whiteboard on a TV, and this whiteboard is shareable, and you can share it across a number of different devices. They've taken that. You no longer really need just the giant TV or the actual board itself, but the idea of an interactive whiteboard, shareable whiteboard, is now across G Suite and available to anyone with G Suite, like most school districts that have it. So um, the idea of interactive whiteboard makes uh, collaborative projects really fun, and allows teachers to get more creative with sharing different things, and students more creative with sharing things. So I just wanted to show you how to get there. It's actually in your Google Drive. You go to New, and then go down to More. It looks like this. This is Google Jamboard. And if you click on it, it will open up a blank or untitled jam. As you see right now, it's just a blank canvas. And then obviously, uh, it's pretty limited on what it can do as far as being able to share this interactive whiteboard. They didn't put too many things into it, otherwise it probably gets to be a little too much, I think. But you have a marker. It's pretty simplistic on my laptop right now. But doing it on an iPad, you can actually get some really cool designs for someone that's a little more artistic than me, and actually using their hands instead of clicking and dragging. Um, and then other things that you can do, you can select different objects. It's really hard to select your penmanship, but if you put other things, folders or docs and pictures in there, you can select those in the movie, of course. So if you want to label things or just start ideas like brainstorming, you can add a sticky note. So some kind of new idea, and then build off of that. You can branch that. Other people can connect it with their pins, and then put other ideas, just like you would with a concept map. Other things you can do: insert pictures. So if I went to my Google Drive and my photos and just uploaded something, I could click on it, select it, put it in there. And then for this computer version, it's actually a little limited. You get on a tablet or your phone. You can actually do more with it, which is usually a little unusual. A computer usually tends to do more things, but on an iPad, you can have the choice of putting um, some kind of document on there, which on this there's not really a way to do it. You can add pictures or use notes, and then obviously draw on it, but there's no file upload. Versus on an iPad, you can actually get in and upload different docs, projects that you've worked on that are in Google Drive. So it would be a really creative way of sharing, I think, and collaborating with others. And then this is all real time. So anything I put up here, um, or my partner puts up here, we see it as soon as it's happening, which is awesome. So um, if I had a partner and they decided to put something on here, I can get it, click it, and move it just like if I was doing it myself, which is awesome. Um, but I think there's a lot of different things you can do with it. As far as what I would do with it in my class, when we do projects, I think this would be an awesome way to link projects. Um, we do a lot of concept maps in science too, just using different models in science. We use a lot of different models, so I think this would be a great way to do that. create it and then obviously share it and have other students build off of each other's concept map and stuff like that. So pretty useful. You can share it. It's uh, downloadable as an app on Android and Apple, and it's just a fun way of collaborating and sharing with others. So give it a try, and it's pretty fun. Thanks.